welcome back to Zeno Page Builder. Today we are going to learn how to use the banner element. Banner element is like the first impression of your landing page. It's the big attention-grabbing section at the top of your page. Let's walk through the options the banner element has to offer. First, we have banner image. Here you can select the image which will be used by the banner element. Next, we have banner link. Here you can select a link which will be redirected to after clicking on the banner. We have full width option. You can toggle on and off to decide whether or not the banner should stretch across the page. We have content width option to specify the width of the banner content. You can adjust the height for the banner to auto or a specific height like this. You can adjust the vertical offset for the background image. If I change it to a negative number, the background image will slide up, and if I change it to a positive number, the background will slide down. Next, we have alignment. If the content width is small, for example, to 600, then you can change the alignment to left, to center, or to the right, like this. You can choose an effect for the banner to parallax, and we see the parallax effect, or overlay to set an overlay color for the banner. Go to Advanced tab. You can change visibility for the banner on desktop, on tablet, or on mobile. You can adjust opacity for the banner, toggle on a border, or box shadow. And even animations. Let's walk through the process of creating a banner for the page. First, I will insert a banner element, and I will set the banner image. Next, I will insert a heading element. Center it. Choose a color to yellow. Type the heading. Adjust the font size. Then I will insert another heading below. Center it. Change the color to white. Type the heading. I will increase the font size to 48 and adjust the font weight to normal. Also, add some margin top for it to 16 and margin bottom to 16, and increase the padding left and padding right for the banner to 64, like this. Next, I will insert a row element. This row will contain our action buttons. I will set content width for the row to 400 pixels and add a button inside. This one will be view more, and I will set button color to yellow and button text to white. Toggle on full width for the button and add some border radius to 20. I will duplicate the button to the other column. Change the text to too sharp. The button color should be transparent, so I will set opacity for the color to 0 and add a border for it. I will change the border width to 2 pixels. and border color should be white. Also, I will adjust the border for this button, the border width to 2 pixels, and border color should be yellow, so they will have the same size. I will also increase the padding top and padding bottom for this banner to 200 pixels. You can also drag like this to adjust the padding. That is how you can create this banner for the page using the banner element. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on mastering Zeno Page Builder.